जब भी इंटरव्यू रूम में जस्ट अंदर गए एंड फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक 12th फेल मूवी, अगर वो बहुत ही सब बॉम्बार्ड कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चन से और आपको नर्वस कर रहे हैं, तो हमें एक चीज तो पता है, हमें शांत रहना है और आंसर करना है, पर एक्चुअली जो हमारे मन में चल रहा है कुछ और ही होता है। सो व्हाट विल यू एडवाइस अस कि हमें हर एक सिचुएशन में इंटरव्यूज के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? आपके
Interviews,
दृष्टि
first of all, interviews have eye contact with the interviewer. You have to look into the eye of the interviewer because that's where uh, it's a reflection of your confidence. If you're fidgeting around, you're not trying to avoid this gaze of the interviewer. It's a sign of non-confidence, the sign that he is trying to hide something. He's not very confident. Because I told you, confidence and attitude matter. And if you are not able to have an eye contact, um, try to. What are the common questions that you get during interview? Tell me about yourself. It's a very simple question. How much of effort have you done to answer this question? You should have an answer that is not more than 4 minutes, 3 minutes. You should be concise in your delivery. You should be concise. I normally put this question because I know the moment the person reacts to this question also makes a lot of somebody start very general. I mean, I say you, मैं ये हूँ, मैं हूँ. But I think you should practice this because there's a normal opening question of any interviewer. Tell me something about you. So I think you should practice that. I think you should try to practice most of the questions. There are two different rounds of interviews. One is a technical round, and one will be an uh, more of an generalized type test. So when there's a technical round, of course you will do your technical stuff. But when it is general round, there are a lot of questions that you ask. Is that how will you approach this situation? So it has to be try and have a answer that is already you have done some homework on. So that's one part of it. The second part of it is there are some tricky questions that they ask. What is your strong points? What are your weak points? So you have to be very careful with this answer. It's nothing to do with the interview. It's a question how you handle that. See, sales finally for me is an objection handling job basically. That's how I object. मैं गधा हूँ बोलने का भी इस तरह से प्यार से बोलता है ना कि लगता है यार बहुत प्यारा गधा है. So it has to be that way. So you need to do so. I don't say you will be knowing each and every answer question that the interviewer asks, but I think you should do some okay. Try to read about that person, what he is, what has done. Today it's available for this information is available. If you know your interviewer, you can do some studies and some obvious questions. Tell me about yourself. Do some homework and go. It has to be concise. It has to be precise. Eye contact has to be there. Body language has to be there. The way you sit on your chair also is important. Okay. Can straight, back straight, bum straight, or sit up, you sit with your elbows on your table. So try to have some kind of mental idea about what you're going to do. So first of all, you would have to be confident. I mean, I think a lot of interviews happen in the first 15 minutes. 15, 20 minutes. You will normally take the decision that yes, ये बंदे को आगे करना है नहीं करना. So it's very important. The first 15 minutes will be important. I don't have a definite answer for this because I don't know who is going to ask any questions to you. But yes, try to imagine that he's going to ask you or he or she is going to ask you this questions. Try to but be confident. Eye contact is very important. Body language has to be once just skulk on it. Just your shoulders should not droop. So those kind of things you should be. Nobody likes a non-confident person sitting on an interview chair. Very clear. Whatever role you are in.
How was the podcast, guys? Did you like it? Thank you for watching the whole video. Comment and tell me which lesson did you find interesting and what skill are you going to focus now?